In a case of high-handedness, an American woman and her 6-month-old son were locked up in Noida in their house for 24 hours by government officials in a labor dispute case. The woman's husband, Dinesh Bharadwaj, was not at home at that time. Emilia Bharadwaj and her son, Ishant, were at home when officials of the Revenue Collection Department from Dadri sealed the house door around 5 p.m. on Friday. Emilia's husband, Dinesh Bharadwaj, had gone to meet his mother in Krishnanagar in Delhi. Now, according to Dinesh, he had been falsely implicated in a labor dispute dating back to March 2014. The Labour Department had issued a recovery notice of 1.67 lakhs against Dinesh. On Friday, the Labour Department officials visited Dinesh's residence to recover the money, but without bothering to find out whether there was anybody inside the house, they locked and sealed it. The wife later called her husband, who rushed to the house and found it sealed. The officials later came and opened the seal. When confronted by the media, they remained evasive.
ये हमें बगैर बताए हुए और वहाँ पर बाहर से सील लगा के चले गए। बच्चे अंदर बंद थे। मेरा छोटा बच्चा था, वो भी अंदर बंद था और मेरी मिसेज भी अंदर बंद थी। कोई डॉक्टर के पास ले जाना था और खाने पीने के लिए दूध भी नहीं था। दूध तो अब लेके आए हैं। कोई हमें खबर नहीं दी, कुछ नहीं करा। मैं यहाँ था भी नहीं, पीछे से इन्होंने बाहर से सील लगा।
कितना समय हो गया बच्चों को?
ये मतलब ऑथराइज नहीं है इस चीज के लिए।
लेकिन आप लोग आए थे, घर में
ऑथराइज
थे, तो इस तरह से सील कर दिया गया तो सर
नहीं, इस बात की जानकारी
है ना सर?
इस बात की किसे जानकारी थी? घर में बच्चे हैं।
नहीं, घर में सर आवाज लगाएंगे।
ऑथराइज नहीं हम इस चीज के लिए।
Kamaljeet Kaur Sandhu is now joining us with more details on that story. Kamaljeet, these officials were careless enough to lock an infant inside a house. Are they being questioned and the matter being looked into now?
Maha, this is not just gross negligence, but this is a callous attitude of the Noida officials. And remember, even though the husband and the woman have complained to the DM, an inquiry has been initiated, there's been no formal complaint. And the police says, the Noida police in particular says, they have not received any written complaint. Now that means that these officials will be let off with a slight warning. But what is required is clearly much more action, including suspension. They could lock up a woman and a child inside a house for 24 hours. This is something really shocking, but this is something that the Noida authorities are not really worried about. This is an incident which could happen all over again, but definitely with the husband, the complainant outside, there was some help which could come in. He immediately rushed to the officials, but it took them 24 hours to really open that particular house.
Yes.
This obviously calls for much more action against these particular officials who've been very evasive, at least on the camera.
And Kamal, we can see in those visuals that the woman, the mother of that infant, is clearly traumatized by this whole drama that played out, wherein she and her little baby were locked inside.
Well, definitely extremely traumatic to be left alone in a house with a small baby. And remember, there's an immediate requirement with a small infant of that size, and also in particular to be away from your own family at a crucial time. Now, there could have been any sort of medical emergency, there could have been any sort of requirement, but definitely locked inside. The officials, even though they had to make that particular move, could have ensured that there's nobody inside the house. Could have then sealed it, but perhaps in a rush to do that duty, in a rush to get away from that particular scene, they simply sealed the house without checking that if there was any person inside.
No doubt about the fact that these officials were simply callous while carrying out what they call their duty. Many thanks, Kamal, for joining us with those details.